A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as you can see, when the price was trading below 50 EMA in a nice trend, this is something I want to explain you. We had conditions like this. We had a bearish engulfing pattern and we had a nice entry confirmation. Now at this point I was waiting for the pullback entry somewhere here, and as you can see we did not get any sort of condition and price still pushed down. Now this was a fear of missing out for traders, that price is gonna push down and they have missed out in the trade. But the reason I want to show you this, because I did not have had a condition here, I did not enter. I waited with patience here, but I entered here because we had a swing high engulfing pattern, a condition for me. Now once the price broke above 50 and 20 EMA, I was only looking for my pullback entries and I did not see any sort of confirmation here. I did not enter any trade. I'm still waiting with patience because it is my hard-earned money. Now if you see right here, if you say it is a valid pullback entry, it is not a valid pullback entry. If you are my MMTA course student, you know some of the rules are not met here. And if you are watching my YouTube videos and if you think that this is an entry, don't just enter blindly. You can always check with me. You can always DM me on Instagram to double check if you're taking a right entry or not. In that case, I will answer you back and say it is not a valid condition. So if there is no condition, we are not entering a trade. If you're entering a random trades like this, your winning ratio will be random and chances of blowing up your account will be increased. That is what I want to show you. And also this week I just took 2 trades, nothing else. I have only seen 2 trading opportunities according to my time schedule. One of them is right here. This was a trade alert I have sent to the members as well. A good winning trade right here with the pullback entry. I'm still managing this trade and let's see how it goes. There might be other opportunities on smaller time frame, but I'm taking trades on 4-hour time frame. That's why I only entered these 2 trades. And last week I got lots of trading opportunities and I've sent 4 to 5 trade alerts in the priority group alone, and I've taken my own trades as well. So a good example of not over trading all the time. The second one I've took right here. This was a trade alert I've sent to the members as well with this bearish pullback entry confirmation. These are the only 2 trades I've taken so far this week. So we don't have to be in the trade all the time if there is no conditions, and discipline is very important in trading. So with that being said, I just want to give you a little lecture here so that you just don't go out in the market and just wasting your money for nothing. Now let's start analysis, starting with natural gas. Right here, what do we have? Price is still above 50 EMA, and I got lots of messages when the price pushed down here that the traders are in the buy trade and nat gas can likely crash due to the storage report released today. I have mentioned in my yesterday's video. So this is just a panic and there is no reason to enter right here because it is not a valid entry, and I have not entered this trade as well. If I see a good condition, I always send that in the priority group and I always announce that in my YouTube videos as well. So we had a 20 EMA cross as well. That is not the only confluence I look for my buy trades. If we have a cross with this bullish engulfer with a valid entry, which here it is not, then it will be a good confluence. But faster moving average crossing slow moving average, that is also sign of bullish momentum and a change in trend. So I'm still looking towards upside. I'm not entering at this point, but overall generally the price is still bullish and I will personally want to see a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, and then I will go long with the condition. So if you ask me if the price is bullish or bearish, I'll still say it's bullish because it's trading above 50 EMA, 20 EMA across, and price is pushing up. The only place I will enter my sell trade is right here, the red zone above, which is 2.341 goes up to 2.425 from where we will enter sell trade using engulfers, double top or inverted hammer or pin bar, whatever you want to call it. So I still wait for the pullback bullish engulfer. If I get this condition, I will enter long and I'll inform you guys as well. So keep an eye here for condition. For now we are still bullish for net gas. Right here on currency.com, exactly the same. Price is still above 50 EMA and 20 EMA both. So what I want to see a bullish engulfing candle. If we have a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we have a good buy signal, but I want to see all my 6 rules are met or not. Once I see a condition, in that case I'll decide. 2.478 and goes up to 2.555 here on currency.com if you're trading on this platform, from where I will look for my engulfers, bearish engulfers, double tops or 382 or inverted hammer candles, whatever you want to call it. So that is what I'm looking at for gas. Still bullish for net gas. Let's check gold. Right, so gold, if you remember my last video, we were waiting for the price to break below this low to take sell trades, but as you can see, price rejected from this zone again, formed bullish engulfer and then pushed up back above 50 and 20 EMA. Now the price did push up above 50 EMA, so we did not have a condition here, but yes, you can take it as an aggressive entry after the break, pullback, bullish engulfer, and the price pushed up. This is not a pullback entry, but can taken as an aggressive entry. For now, the price is just ranging in this box up and down. So for confirmation of the trend, I want to see a complete break and close above. If that happens, if the price break above, the price will likely push up and keep on pushing up until the price hit the zone above is 2038. But we do have a minor zone below that, which I'm going to mention in my weekends video. But for now, price is just ranging in between this box. Break above, we have a good condition that price will push up. But I'll still look for my entry confirmation as price has recently broken above 50 EMA. If I see another green candle, a pullback, bullish engulfer, I will still go long if I have a condition, and I use one ATR for my target. So that is what I'm looking at. ATR is $9, so if you have a condition, $9 will be my profit. So I'll check that accordingly. So keep an eye here for conditions and entries. Let's check silver. Silver has pushed up back in the trend continuation zone. Now if I see a bearish engulfer here, in that case we have a sell signal and the targets will be one ATR only. And if I have a condition, we can get a pullback hit off of a take profit in the case if we have a condition, and then price can likely to push up from here. So very important to keep your stop loss and take profit both. So if you have a bearish engulfers or a double top in this zone, we have a good sell condition. If there is no condition, if we have a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, I will go long. So keep an eye here for conditions. I will only enter my sell or buy trade once I see a condition, which I've already mentioned. Let's check Palladium. So right here on Palladium, if you remember my last video, said that the price is now in the buying area with this engulfer. Price has pushed up and that is enough to hit your target. Now came back to this zone and now we are still in a buying zone, which is 1328 goes up to 1365. Now if we get a bullish engulfer within this zone, in that case we have a good buy signal. So we are still in the buying zone and I'm only looking for my buying condition for Palladium. Right here, if you're trading wheat, another commodity, right here, as you can see, the price has broke above this zone. We have a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, and now a very good condition that would be your entry right at the close, and price is now pushing up. So I'm still expecting a good push up out of wheat if you're trading this commodity, at least till this recent high, from where I want to see another high for the continuation. So that is what I'm looking at for wheat. It's bullish if you're trading this commodity. The last one, and which is not one of my favorite, it is crude oil. We have crude oil that runs massively on fundamentals, and as you can see, we had this big move out of that, a news event, and then price is pushing up. I still want to see how it reacts. It's still within the termination zone. I'm still paying attention for the zone above, ahead of the zone above, right up there, from where I want to see if we get a sell signal or not. If yes, I will enter sell trade. If not, I'm still paying attention to the zone above, which is 76.62 goes up to 78.92, from where I will enter my sell trade. So I'm not selling crude oil at this point or not taking any trades out of crude oil, but I have these zones set right in front of me, and once I see a condition from this zone, I will enter my sell trades. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. See you guys in the next video. Take care.